Okay. This is a big hole. Ooh, it's starting to burn. Ooh, it's burning right through it. Wow. Okay, that must be too hot. And it should be running dry. I should try. Let me see. Wow, so that burnt right through it. That's crazy. It smells sweet from the the sugar that was in there. Well, it looks like it. Oh, it's actually sticking to it. Maybe I could just keep adding on to it. So this low temperature stuff seems to be working. 750 degrees. Ooh, ooh, man, that's still too hot. That's kind of. Not moving that. Still not hard enough. Oh, come on. Ah, okay. This thing's a big sink of heat. Still not hot enough. Look at that. Still not hot enough. Come on. I feel it going, conducting through, but it's not melting.